Hey there, food lovers. Today I'm going to show you how to make perfect chocolate-covered cherries at home. This sweet treat is not just delicious, but also makes for a heartwarming gift. Let's dive into the art of making these mouth-watering delights. First, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 36 maraschino cherries, 3 tablespoons of softened butter, 3 tablespoons of corn syrup, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 18 ounces of dark chocolate, and a teaspoon of coconut oil. Ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Mix the butter and corn syrup in a bowl. Gradually add the powdered sugar until you get a smooth dough. Refrigerate this dough for a couple of hours until it's firm. Next, dry your maraschino cherries on paper towels. Take small pieces of the dough, about a teaspoon each, and wrap them around the cherries. Place these on a wax paper-lined baking sheet and pop them back in the fridge for another hour. Now for the fun part. Melt your dark chocolate with a teaspoon of coconut oil in a microwave-safe bowl, 30 seconds at a time, stirring in between. Once melted, dip each cherry into the chocolate. If your cherries have stems, this part is super easy. If not, use a fork to dip and coat them quickly. Let the chocolate harden on the wax paper. To speed this up, you can put them in the fridge. Once set, store your chocolate-covered cherries in an airtight container in a cool, dry place for at least 2 weeks. This waiting time allows the inside to liquefy, giving you that perfect candy experience. And there you have it. Delicious homemade chocolate-covered cherries, perfect for gifting or treating yourself. Pair them with your favorite wine for an extra special touch. Happy indulging, and don't forget to spread the love with these sweet treats. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. The full recipe is in the description below. See you next time.